a short instructional video now to show you how to remove microchips quickly and efficiently from circuit boards. We have a Renault Kangoo instrument cluster here. We need to change a couple of chips which aren't performing as they should, being burnt out. As you can see, we have a soldering rework station ready to go, and please note the workstation is very clean and tidy. This is a must. My colleague now will show you how to remove these chips quickly and professionally. As you can see, the main microchip is now removed quickly and accurately, and the new one can now be fitted in a similar manner.